Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about a knapsack problem by using dynamic programming, and it is also called as without memory function, and it is proceed with top-down approach. So this in this video we are going to see this particular sum in detail. So knapsack is nothing but we are supposed to take the items which will give the maximum profit. That is what the core concept, and it should satisfy the maximum capacity which is given for the problem. So here we have 4 items, 1, 2, 3, 4, and weight of it is for first item it is 2, and for second item it is 1, and third item it is 3, and fourth item it is 2, and the values for the respective items are mentioned here. And for maximum capacity we have 5 for this particular sum. And here we are supposed to form a matrix here for, so J will be in capacity, that is W equal to 5, and it varies from 0 to 5, and I is mentions the number of items, and it is N equal to 5, and it is varies from 0 to 4. So we have 4 items, so it is 0 to 4, and we have maximum capacity 5, so we have 0 to 5. So this is what the initial matrix we are supposed to form. So this is J. So J starts from 0 to 5. And for this it is I. And I for this J is equal to 5. For this it is 4. So it varies from 0 to 4. So this is what the initial table we are formed. And for this, for first item, the weight which is given for in the sum is 2 and the value is 12. The same way it is taken, it is written here. For first item, weight is and value. Second item, weight and value. Third item, weight and value. And fourth item, weight and value is mentioned adjacently for the particular row. And we have one more formula, that is, 3 more formulas, that is f of 0 comma j is equal to 0 in the case of j greater than equal to 0. And for f of I is comma 0 equal to 0. For this case, I should be greater than equal to 0. So for this, the remaining sum is f of I comma j. For maximum, f of I minus 1 comma j plus vi plus f of I minus 1 comma j minus w. So this is what formula for the condition j is greater than wi. So for if we have j is less than wi, then we have another formula, f of I minus 1 comma j. So this is what the 4 formulas we are supposed to consider for the particular problem. So here f of 0 comma I, f of 0 comma j. So here 0 comma 0, 0 comma 1, 0 comma 2, 0 comma 3. For all the items we are supposed to form 0 here by substituting this particular formula. And for this I comma 0, so here I, and for jth row it is 0. So here also it is marked as 0. So initial table was found, and remaining these positions we are supposed to form 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, up to 4 comma 5. We are supposed to calculate all the values by substituting the formulas. So first we will start with 1 comma 1. So for 1 comma 1 we have I equal to 1. This is I value and this is j value. So I equal to 1 and j equal to 1. And w1. Here w1 is 2 and v1 is 12. So w1 is 2 and v1 is 12. It is mentioned. Now we have to check whether j is compared with wi. J value here is 1 and wi value is 2. So 1 is less than wi. So we are supposed to go with this particular formula. So I am writing the formula here, that is f of I comma j equal to f of I minus 1 j. So this is what the formula we are supposed to substitute in this particular sum. So for this, so f of here I is 1, 1 minus 1 comma j is 1. So our value is f of 0 comma 1. So for this table, f of 0 comma 1, it is 0. So value 0. So value for 1 comma 1 equal to 0. So now I am substituting, this is the answer, so I am substituting 1 comma 1 equal 1 comma 1 equal to 0. So this is what the first step. Next I am going, the first step was found, and next is 1 comma 2, and again 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5. In this manner we are supposed to identify the values. So next I am going to identify 1 comma 2. So next is f of 1 comma 2. So I value is 1, j value is 3, j value is 2, and w1 and v1 value is 2 and 12 respectively. So now I have to check j value is 2 and w value is 2. It is greater than equal to, j is greater than equal to w weight. So for this I am supposed to substitute the formula f of I comma j equal to max of f of I minus 1 j comma plus f of I minus 1 j minus 1 wi. So this is what we have to calculate. So f of I minus 1, here max of f of I, here I is 1, 1 minus 1 comma 2, vi value is 12 plus f value I minus 1 is 1 minus 1, j is 2 and w is 2. So I am substituting the values here. So for this, max of f1 minus 1 0 comma 2 plus 12 f of 0 comma 0. So here the value is max of f comma 12. Here 0 comma 2 is max of 0 comma 2 is 0, and for this is 12. Here the max value compared to 0 and 12 will be the answer. So for 1 comma 2 I supposed to write 12 as an answer in the table. So 1 comma 2 I am writing 12 here. So this is what answer. The same way I am going to calculate for 1 comma 3. So for 1 comma 3 the values are substituted, and we are compared j value is greater than it is greater than equal to the j value is greater than equal to wi. So we are substituting the formula, this particular formula, and the values are substituted. The max value is 0 comma 12, so maximum for this is 12, and for this f of 1 comma 4 the maximum value is 12, and for 1 comma 5 the maximum value is 12. So these values are substituted in the table. Now we are calculating for 2 comma 1, and for this it is 10, and 2 comma 2 it is 12, and 2 comma 3 it is